Hello guys, today I'm going to do one video regarding OpenSUSE, SUSE. It's an Linux OS. So it's no hidden software, no surprise. The OpenSUSE new article freedom means knowing what install highlights and critical benefit of using OpenSUSE. Just what we'll do now, we'll directly open Google Chrome. It's an Linux OS, and here you can see OpenSUSE. I typed and I have click on it. Tumbleweed, Leap, install Tumbleweed, OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, and here you can see offline image, network image is there for download option. So I clicked on it and install Tumble maker's choice for I'm downloading this ISO image OpenSUSE Leap 15.6. I just downloaded ISO image. You can see in desktop OpenSUSE. And next process what I am doing is I will just do process in Rufus. For that I am going to open Rufus and I'll just drag and drop this OpenSUSE OS Linux OS in Rufus. So now Rufus has been opened and I'll drag and drop this ISO image and I'll start it.
Hello?
After complete, you can do bootable pen drive and complete your download installation. So hope guys, if video is good, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.